Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K. Misra. This video tutorial is on sourcing management. This is part 4. Now come to the questions. Number 1. Transportation is the most dash element of logistics operation. A. Visible. B. Uncontrollable. C. Rational. D. Operational. E. Standard. Correct option is A. Visible. 2. The transportation serves two purposes. One is the product movement and the other one the dash product storage. A field, B pipeline, C in transit, D excise paid, E damaged. Correct option is C in transit. 3. In transit storage is not dash for the longer period. Correct option is B cost effective. 4. The guiding principle for choosing the transportation mode is the dash cost per unit weight per or volume of the product moved over the unit distance. Here correct option is B least. 5. Selection of particular mode is dependent on the dash of transportation infrastructure in the region. A. Availability, B. Cost, C. Speed, D. Size, E. Quality. Here correct option is A. Availability. 6. Road transportation offers a number of advantages such as dash A. Door-to-door service, B. Flexibility, C. Reliability and speed, D. Reach to remote places, E. All of the above. Correct option is E. All of the above. 7. Trucking industry in the country is predominantly in the dash private sector and bulk of truck operators are dash truck owners. A. Unorganized single. In fact, this is the correct option. A. Unorganized single. Viewers, let me tell you that by and large, in all the questions covered here, the correct options are highlighted. In case of any discrepancy found in any question, that will be corrected through my narration. Now, question number 8. The bulk cargo is transported through railways because of dash advantage over other modes. A. Speed, B. Reliability, C. Cost, D. Convenience, E. Door-to-door service. The correct option is C. Cost. 9. Air transportation is a costly affair and it is used only for highly dash commodities and items whose life is short and value is high. The correct option is A. Respiring and transpiring. 10. Logistics is dash based activity to move goods from one place to other place. A. Cost, B. Customer, C. Supplier, D. Transportation mode, or E. Information. The correct option is E. Information. 11. Reduce freight vehicle mileage and increase load factors. The strategy is correct option is B. Improve scheduling and routing. 12. Reduce total freight transport by relying on dash products from facilities closer to their destination markets. The correct option is A. Local. 13. The selection of transportation mode depends on the product characteristics and the dash requirements. Here correct option is B. Customer service. 14. Reliability of transportation means ability of the carrier to deliver the shipment in good condition in the dash delivery time frame to the customer. Correct option is A. Stipulated. 15. Freight cost is influenced by dash A. Volumes and distance, B. Product type, shape and density, C. Product handling, D. Market dynamics, or E. All of the above. So here correct option is E. All of the above. 16. Hub and spoke network transportation tends to dash. Correct option is D. Optimizes the number of distribution centers. 17. In the business context, Milk-Run tested and proven method of optimizing a service provider's trucking operations in dash activities. Here correct option is A. Collection or dispatch. 18. Milk Run supports a firm in dash inventory availability In automotive and electronic industries, correct option is C, JIT, just in time. 19. For the conversion of fuel and thus the transportation time, the route planning exercise is of utmost importance to the carrier owner. Correct option is B, saving. 20. Containerization ensures usage of dash transportation and safe door-to-door transportation of the cargo. A, multi-route. B, multimodal. C, multi-product. D, C route. D, none. Here correct option is B, multimodal. 21. Inventory levels are affected by level of customer service, dash and flexibility in business operations. A, demand variations. B, warehousing layout. C, type of handling equipment. D, transportation modes, or E, storage pattern. Correct option is A, demand variation. 22. Dash in effective inventory management will always give a competitive edge to the business regardless of its nature. Here correct option is C, efficiency. 23. Inventory generally constitutes the second largest item after dash in the financial balance sheet of the manufacturing company. Here correct option is B, fixed asset. 24. Inventory related cost comprising of the following elements: dash A, capital invested. B, storage and material handling. C, transportation, insurance and obsolescence. D, exchange rate fluctuation, or E, all. Correct option is E, all of the above. 25. The benefits of inventory reduction are not reflected in dash. The correct option is E, economies of scale. 26. Inventory turns may be enhanced by using A, MRP, B, ERP, C, DRP, D, JIT, or E, all. Correct option is D, all of the above. 27. The distribution side is primarily concerned with the finished goods inventories, which again are divided into dash A, non-excise paid goods, B, excise paid goods, C, pipeline inventory, D, channel, or E, all. Correct option is E, all of the above. 28. The investments in inventory cannot be used for the other dash purpose or dash assets. Correct option is B, productive creating. 29. Inventory carries the risk of damage, theft, pilferage, or dash. Correct option is A, obsolescence. 30. The manufacturer's inventory commitments are closely related to the investments made in anticipation of the expected returns, complexity and width of distribution network, unit value of the product, and the nature of demand. Correct option is B, lead time of inputs. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass on to others those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.